Hello YouTube, Heavy Duty Reviews coming at you again, and you might think that this is a video on the Sig Sauer P220 West German that I just finished revamping. I finally got the stainless grip screws, and I'm still waiting on the springs from Wolf Gun Springs. I'm going to do a trigger job because it's a little bit heavy in double action. I'm just going to do a light trigger job. It's not going to be anything drastic. It's very smooth. Got the 10 round 6-hour magazine plus a couple of 8 6-hour magazines and a zipper mag. But this is not on that. This is on my newest acquisition. And the deciding factor in getting this was a video I saw by Big Swoll58 on his 4506. And as you can tell by the blue box, by the older type blue box, not really old, but older type blue box, that this is a Smith & Wesson Model 4566. Followed me home from, still got, I guess, I don't know if it's got any, no it does, it has all the paperwork. That is awesome. Plus a grip thing. It's got the spent shell casing. The date of manufacture on this was 1/15, or the date that they test fired it was 1/15/03. That's interesting. That's very interesting. This is an 03 gun. It gives you the third generation owner's manual, the Smith & Wesson product registration warranty card, laser grip engraved grips. Never seen one of those. Ooh, that's nice. Laser engraving for it. I would love to have that done, and the actual other owner's manual. And voila, what we have here is, I'm going to close this up. Oh, and it came with an extra magazine, which was awesome because I didn't know it came with an extra magazine. It is the 45 Tactical Smith & Wesson. It comes with this Hogue overmold grip, which is really comfortable. I mean, you talk about a grip. And there's nothing wrong with the grips that are on it. This is practically a spotless gun. There's a little bit of wear on the edges of the tactical rail right there, but I could care less. I've got paint for that. But the trigger, oh my god. Oh, and I've never had any bullets in it. I just bring it home. Magazine, chamber, empty. The action on this thing is, and the single action trigger is just wonderful. Oh, it won't do it without the magazine, and I forgot, magazine disconnect. So single action trigger is very light and crisp. The double action is long but very smooth and light. I don't even know if I'll do a trigger job on this gun. It's very smooth and light. It might have already had a trigger job done on it. It's just, you know, it's got the dual safety decockers. I think it's a decocker. Let's see. Yep, it's a decocker. So that's awesome. Good shape. The might polish the feed ramp. Definitely going to do that. The barrel. Let me get a white piece of paper or something. Let me see here. We'll check out what the barrel looks like. Rifling looks really good. There's no rust. There's no nothing. It's just, it's a really nice gun. And the solid steel, stainless steel firing spring. I wish it had a mag release on the other side because I'm left-handed, but I can very easily work it. I work around things. When you're left-handed, you learn how to do it. It does have night sights, 3-dot night sights. Can't get the front sight to focus, but I really like this Hogue overgrip. I really do. I didn't think I would, but very solid purchase. I mean, it's like glue. So, yeah, and it's the stainless steel, full stainless steel. It's a pretty hefty gun for a mid-size. I wouldn't say small. It's not like a 457, but it's also not like a 4506. But I am going to beef up the recoil spring to about a 22, 24 pound and shoot 45 Super out of this, because these things can take it. Didn't want to do it on a Sig because they can't take it. I mean, it's an alloy spring, and this is not. So very smooth action. Just magazine disconnect. Let's see what the other magazine. Another magazine works perfect. Very nice double action trigger. And the reset is right there. That's a very short reset. Wow. Somebody might have did some trigger. That's the shortest reset I've ever seen on the gun. I have to be careful about that. Like, that's crazy. Double action. And it's right there. It barely even moved. And it's just right there. And then it clicks back out. Yeah, I think someone did some trigger work on this. But there it is in all its glory. The 45 Tactical Hogue overmold. And these Zytel or Zytol or whatever grip, Smith & Wesson, I really like those because it had the Smith & Wesson, it says Smith & Wesson on it, and then it has the logo on either side. I just like them. I collect Smith & Wesson things, and this is the latest Smith & Wesson thing that I've collected. And I love that hammer, that like teardrop hammer. Beautiful. And of course, when it's unsafe, it just goes right back. So, very safe gun. I like that. I like safety on guns. I have 4 granddaughters. Of course, I keep my guns locked up and on safe when they're around because, ooh, it's even got a chamber indicator. 45 auto. That's what I'm screaming. Pretty soon it's going to be a 45 Super. But that's it. That's all I've got for today, peeps. And folks who want to be peeps. God bless you. Everybody stay safe. Peace, and I'm out.